Low Earth orbit is getting crowded. There are thousands of objects, ranging in size from defunct spacecraft to paint flecks. And more countries and private companies are venturing into space. Debris in Earth orbit is moving 10 times faster than a bullet, so even a tiny piece can puncture a spacesuit. But no one owns space, so no one is in charge of cleaning up the trash. What's the solution? The United Nations might create a new treaty to address the issue, but only members of the UN would need to abide by it, and not private spaceflight companies. For the time being, it's clear that space junk will continue to accumulate, as will the related problems and dangers. And, by the way, the moon already has trash too, including 50 crashed rocket boosters, nearly 100 bags of human waste, plus golf balls, boots, and more. Thanks to The Conversation and Chris Impey of the University of Arizona for the information. We're EarthSky, and I'm Kelly Kaiser-Witt. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.